I'm gonna see if I can get some oil pressure to build. I've got the EFI fuse out, full of oil. Let's see what'll happen. And now it doesn't want to start. Yay! So, Scott is not here today. Just R. And you're gonna have to excuse the not so great quality because I'm slack and I didn't grab the camera. So we're doing this OG SNR style with my old phone. But I've been busy trying to get this crazy Supra running. Everything on the top is pretty much hooked up. I've got to finish tying in the blow-off valve. I think that might actually be it. I got to finish doing the intercooler piping, which won't be bad. But got the coil packs, fuel pressure regulator, vacuum lines all ran, vacuum log installed. I still have to make a bracket for the line pressure for the automatic. And I had to retap the line, the IAT for the VPC, and a bunch of wiring I had to fix. So yeah, just a little bit more, and hopefully by the end of this episode I'm at least trying to crank this thing over. Actually, let me jump back a little bit. Last time we filmed, we got ready to start the car and click, it did nothing. It was my mess up. I forgot to hook the ground from the battery to the block. There was like 4 grounds that weren't even hooked up. Got all those fixed. The car cranks over. I didn't really try it a lot, but it's turning over now. So that problem is fixed. So yeah, let's hop right into it. So if doing a major rebuild, always buy hose clamps. Because even though you think you have enough, you never do. So stock up. Make sure you get the right wrench too. Alright, so the motor is complete. I need a filter, but because the one that was on it won't work with the GT35, but at least we can turn it over and get it started, and I'll order a filter. Alright, so the only thing left, woo, we got some sparks. That needs to be tightened up. But the only thing left underneath the car is the drive shaft and the exhaust tied together. Look at that. We got the snazzy green lights. So, let's see. We have dash lights. Oh, ooh. It wants to start. Alright, so I got it turning over. It's trying. It's alive! It's alive! Well, it fired up, but we got an oil leak somewhere. So it fired up. It's alive. Just got to find that leak and fix it. So that's gonna wrap this one up. Right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Marla fired up. Small oil leak to fix. And then hopefully we can break this motor in and try it out. As always, thank you for watching. If you need some cool merch that says S&R, or you want to show your 7M or G54B love, check out sandrmotoring.com. We have podcasts. New one was released last night. We'll have the video released in the middle of the week. Hopefully this video will come out Sunday night, Monday, whenever we can get it edited. Again, thank you for watching, and keep on motoring.